What's going on, you guys? My name is Eric. Welcome back to another video. So right now I actually pulled over to my favorite spot to take some pictures. As you guys can see, the train's right there passing by, nice and beautiful. Look at all these trains right here. But guys, I just bought a new so I had lost my camera. I don't know where my camera's at. I can't find it anywhere. So I just bought I'm using my other camera, and I just bought a memory card, and I also bought something else, guys. Look at it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look, I bought a microphone. So hopefully you guys can hear me better. Quality should be a little bit better of audio. Hopefully, I don't know. Behind the scenes of some Instagram pictures. This is what I have to do every like couple of days. I need another photo shoot, guys. I'm running out of content on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll put it up right here, up in the screen somewhere. Go ahead and hit that follow button, guys. Follow me on Instagram. I literally post every single day. All right, just got a couple of quick pictures in. These pictures should last me for like a couple of days, and then I'll probably find another place. I want to actually do like a photo shoot right here somewhere. So, met up with them. Oh my god. Oh man, Jenkins over here kicked us out, so not kicked us out, but we just gotta move. Alright guys, Sambu's leaving. Oh my god. Must be nice.
Hey, when you wash your car but you don't have AC.
You don't have AC?
No. So
why?
I gotta roll down my windows.
Why don't you have AC?
Who needs that shit?
You're fucking lying, you do have AC.
I don't.
Why?
Because nigga Turbo Boys. I'm already getting prepared.
Yeah, I feel like you're capping.
Here, you can have a memory of my car.
Hey, can you believe that this one doesn't have AC?
I don't. Well, I don't have AC.
I don't have AC either, but
if I turn it on, it's gonna go stupid. It just blows, huh?
More Panda. Show off. Alright guys, now time to vacuum my whole car. Nice clean interior, just vacuum. I only vacuum my car, guys. I didn't wash my car. Later on I'm gonna wash my car. But later on we're actually gonna be going to a meet. I'm not gonna open today for my business. Yesterday I got hurt from my shoulder really bad. So basically we were at like a family party, right? And I was hitting the piñata. I was hitting it, bas, bas. And out of nowhere my shoulder literally dislocated. And I was like, no, like that shit hurt. If you guys ever felt like a dislocated shoulder, it freaking hurts. Yeah, I'm taking it easy. I still feel a lot of pain, and like right now I'm holding this big ass camera and it hurts me right now. But yeah, gonna be taking the day off. Gonna be going to a local meet, probably me, Jason, and my homie Panda, the one that I just met up with right now. We're probably gonna be going to a meet. I haven't been to a meet in a while. Alright, so I just parked right here. This is close to my house. This is one of the schools right here by my house. But gonna take some pics right here real quick. I'm telling you guys, I need to re-up on my pictures. How does that look? That looks pretty decent, right?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal.
Alright guys, we just pulled up to Jason's house right now. Just wiped down my car because I forgot to wash it. But look who's here. This guy again. This girl. This guy. That guy.
Don't record my Mickey side skirt.
I gotta record the pink.
Oh.
Sick ass girl.
Ignore my muffler.
Look at that big ass freaking cannon, dude.
I told you.
Fucking freeway.
Alright guys. The homie Chris. New wheels. Damn. Does it really take two people to...
Dude, my car's dirty.
She didn't wash it at all, that's why.
I didn't.
Damn.
It has like dead bugs, bird shit.
There, I'm just taking out the dust.
Oh, sick ass food.
My little ouch.
You got a little...
My little ouch.
Bruh, I was just chilling in my car. And look at this food. Spider-Man over here. Sick ass food. Alright guys, my boy Andres just showed up right now. He's behind me. You guys seen him on the vlogs all the time. But we're freaking rolling deep. We're like, what, 1, 2, 3, no wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're 7 cars deep. And they're all Z's, that's what's dope. Sick. Well guys, there's already a cop all the way up ahead, but I think he's just chilling there. Just making sure everything's like cool. But damn, this is a pretty big ass meet. Not big, but like, oh, there's 2 cops over there. Damn, sick ass fool. Oh, focus. Sick ass fool. Yo, there's a bunch of Z's. Bunch of cars. There's a bunch of people. I'm just recording. You should stop vlogging. Yeah. I don't know, do we all move up or? That blue? I like that blue. That blue's tight. Ooh. Is that a GTR? Damn, is that a fenderless Lexus? Damn, I'm a little Gustavo. Should have got this wing, bro. Oh, look, stock RT. Damn, sick. Is that Tommy? Rattle. Oh, damn. I'm gonna walk off. Sick, man. Damn. Alright guys, we're leaving. Alright guys, we're leaving already. Jason left a long time ago. What I think is gonna happen is Andres is gonna catch a run with this 370.
You know those mornings when you're
Damn, Vinny, all over you. Sheesh, T-top and everything. All over you. Guess what? I broke my lip. Yeah, dude, it should just snapped off. Look, watch, pull forward, you can see it. You can't, yeah, dude, I broke my lip right now. As soon as I tried shifting into fifth, it didn't go in, so I just went into neutral. All I hear is boom, and I see a whole bunch of pieces like in the back. Dude. Guys, I just freaking broke my lip. No, I was racing on Andres right now, and literally I tried, instead of shipping into fifth gear, it got locked out, and I just went into neutral, and that thing just exploded and shattered. Alright guys, so you guys know I had a carbon lip, right? A lot of you guys liked it. I was probably like one of the only ones, not one of the only ones, but I was one of the only ones that was out here with the carbon lip, full from Saigon. And I was just racing this fool, just a friendly little race, and look what happened, dude.
No, cause I heard something like fall, and I was like, oh, I looked back and was like, okay, it's still like.
Dude, to be honest, I thought it was my my drive shaft, cause I was trying to go into 5th gear, but it locked me out. So I was just like, whatever. I just threw it in neutral, out of nowhere, boom, and I run it over. Dude, did I miss anything else? Oh my god. Dude.
I did hear like.
Yeah, I know. I think I ran it over. Oh my god, dude. Alright guys, so we just got back to Jason's house. I was literally racing the guy behind the camera. I was literally racing Andres with this stock 370, and we always have like a fun run, right? Well, this time we were like racing just for fun. I think it was like a 40 roll, and I tried shifting into 5th gear, and I couldn't. I got locked out, so I threw it in neutral. Out of nowhere, all I hear, boom, like a big old explosion, and then I run something over. I look behind my mirror, and sure enough, it was my lip. So I have no more carbon lip. I'm sad, but yeah, dude, that lip was like literally like $400 or $500. Oh my god, and I only had it for like what, like 3-4 months, like 3 months. Oh my god, bro, I'm sad.
Before you roll! No, bro, no, where are you going? Come on!
Oh my! You're a fucking idiot!
She didn't open it, they fucking opened it.
Alright. Alright guys, so we just got back to Jason's house. We went to go look for my lip on the freeway. We found a little piece, but obviously the whole thing's not gonna be there. Oh! Alright, anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below, like the video, and turn on that post notification for you to get alerted. Peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright guys, so a little behind the scenes. Me and my girl, I picked up my girl, we came to the cookie plug. This shop literally seems like a weed store, but it's not. It's just cookies, bomb cookies. But anyways, peace out guys.